introduction to the procedure and how to calibrate the vernier pH meter. What you'll need are 3 buffers, the 4, 7, and 10, with small cups to place the buffer in. Of course, you'll need an electrode in its storage solution, some DI water, perhaps an electrode holder, and you'll need the LabQuest Mini interface, which has the pH electrode connected to channel 1. Then you'll need the interface to the computer, small connector here down to the USB port on the computer. First off, let's go up to the Vernier Logger Pro software. Should have that installed on your PC. We'll launch that and come up to File, Open. Come over here to Advanced Chemistry with Vernier, and let's do the O7A acid base. We'll launch that. Now we need to begin the calibration. So you come up to, notice it's giving us a pH of the storage solution, which is around 4. Come down here under Experiment to Calibrate. We're going to do the channel 1. Calibrate. We're going to say Calibrate now. It'll begin to read a voltage. So we're going to unscrew our storage cap, take our electrode out, rinse it off with a little bit of DI water, and we'll place it in the pH 4 buffer. Then we go back to our calibration screen, and we can see the voltage here is stabilized. We're going to put in the value of the buffer, which is pH 4.0, and we'll keep that. And then we'll take our electrode out, rinse it off. We're going to go over here to pH 10. Go into the pH 10 buffer. Notice the voltage will change. Wait for that to stabilize. 0.93. The value of this buffer is 10.0. We'll keep that. And then we'll say done. And we'll notice that the pH should be very near 10. Now to check, you can rinse this off. Go back and check the pH 7 buffer. Okay. And values plus or minus about a tenth, 0.07 is perfectly acceptable for these average pH meters. 7.06. So we're only 0.06, 0.07 of a pH unit, a little bit high. And you can see it's bouncing around a little bit. Okay, so go back, rinse that off. So that is now ready to use. You can either leave that in some water, and you're ready to begin your acid-base titration. One other point, when you're using your pH electrode, be sure that this glass bulb is completely in the solution. So when you're doing the measurements, be sure that that glass is down in the solution. If it's above the liquid or just touching, you're not going to get a consistent reading. Be sure that's down well into the liquid. All right, that should do it for that. So we'll stop there.